marami mang pangit, marami maganda. Ang importante, nandito ka na ngayon. Ang importante, ito yung outcome. Doesn't matter naman. Lahat yun, minsan, I wouldn't say syempre, bound to happen or ano. Pero, it happens wala. Hindi mo, yun nga Kaya nga, importante ang oras na ginagamit natin fully habang nandyan pa. Huwag natin i-take for granted yung mga malalapit na tao sa atin. Minsan kasi ganun, parang nag-aaway kayo, tapos biglang, shoot, ano na pala.
Yo, 18, one thing I want to say right now, and that is we all need friends like Josh Cullen in our life. He is such an amazing person. If you watch this episode and podcast, you know what I'm talking about and how he helped Felipe.
Konti na lang pala na 10 oras niya. Gusto ko lang din syempre, salamat, sinema namin yan. Kasi, ano yan
As a lempty.
Ano mo yan Baga, mga hidden or privacy mo na yan, boundaries mo na yan. And, na-appreciate namin yun.
I mean, whatever he says, it sounds right to me. It sounds he's saying everything from his heart, and he's an amazing person.
Kasi bibihira tayo na pag-usap ng ganito, sa totoo lang.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Ken, for sharing. And ako personally, sobrang dami kong na-realize. And naintindihan na parang dati kine-question ko, but now parang ma-apply ko siya with different people na okay, ganito pala yun.
Gusto ko lang din i-add na parang, yun nga, yung katulad ni Ken na introverted. Kasi ako din before introvert ako nag-start, nahirapan, hindi ibig sabihin na pag hindi ka nag-share or hindi ka nagsasalita ng mga saloobin mo, it means na inconsiderate ka or hindi ka it just means na pwedeng maraming reason, pwedeng na-trauma ka.
You know, at some point, we all were introvert, and it's nothing wrong being an introvert. You know what I'm saying?
Pwedeng, ayun nga, ganun din yung nakasanayan yung pinalaki. It's not hard to put yourself out there, kung mag-shell out ka. Kaya props sa pag mo ngayon,
Props, peace bump.
Peace bump. Hindi, pero promise props sa pag-share mo kasi nakakagulat din yan. Yeah.
And that's how they help each other. That's how all of them help Kane to settle in.
Perfect episode to.
Thank you so much.
Sige,
Actually, may face na may face din na parang, sige, okay na sa akin na ma-misunderstood, ganun.
Nakakapagod mag-explain.
Nakakapagod mag-explain, so I'm just like, shut up.
Yeah, Kane himself revealed in this episode that, Josh helped him a lot. And, that's why I'm saying, Josh Cullen, we all need a friend like Josh Cullen in our life.
So, sige, okay na. Okay na ako. Parang,
bahala kayo kung anong gusto nyo isipin.
Bahala kayo kung anong gusto isipin mo sa kilala ko yung sarili ko. May ganun din pala. May ganung face din pala.
It's normal. It's normal.
Kapagod nga naman talaga mag-explain pa pag lalo na sa status natin. Yung kapagod na.